Oh dear, we're smoking the Liverpool pack tonight, guys. The Zubimendi pack. Pastor Zubi. Man said, nah, F that, bruv, yeah? I ain't coming to Liverpool. He said, nah. He said, I'd rather live in San Sebastian, bruv, than live in Liverpool. I don't blame him, if I'm honest. Okay, Viva España. Yo, pam these likes up. This football club, since Jurgen left, and we got the Jurgens on, since Jurgen's left, it's all gone south, isn't it? It's all gone a little bit sideways and south. They've signed 0 players. Zubimendi, the only player they've really gone after all summer, has said, sorry, guys, no mas. No. I don't want to come to Liverpool, he said. He said, no. He's staying here. He's staying here, bruv. Scouse tears. Now all we need is for Real Madrid to go and nick Trent, and job completed. Cheers, guys. Smash the likes up before you all start crying and bantering, although it's fucking hilarious. But we're drinking in the Scouse tears. Zubi Doo, where are you? He's still in San Sebastian, lads. But they've taken it well. Pause. Yeah, I just want you to watch this little clip, guys. They've taken it extremely well. I mean, obviously, they're the massive, mighty Liverpool. So they've taken it extremely well, guys. Listen to this.
And Zubimendi, you have earned an enemy forever. I will be watching Sociedad games praying on your downfall, you fucking emotional wreck, you fucking pussy. You're not even a man. You should give up your chromosomes. You're not even a man. You should go get a sex change because you're not a man. You're a pussy. Spent this whole time fucking gaslighting us all to thinking, oh, I'm going to miss the mountains of San Sebastian. Fuck Real Sociedad. I hope Real Sociedad lose every single game. I hope Real Sociedad get relegated. I hope Martin Zubimendi gets fucked in his career and they transfer him to Elche in the 3rd fucking division of Spain. I hope they never select him in the Spanish top team. I hope every single plate of food that he orders in his fucking city has a bug on it.
Taking it well, aren't they? These men are rattled. Yeah, they are rattled. Absolutely rattled. Jeez. It's not easy being a scouter, unfortunately, for them. I wish I had a cigar on deck. However, we just have to go with the cigarette for now. Imagine your number one and only target. In fact, not number one, your only target was flirting with you and then decided, nah, actually, I like the mountains. I like the mountains of San Sebastian. I'm going to stay. Sorry, guys, but I'm staying. Oh, dear. Imagine the meltdown in this fan base going on right now. It's actually glorious scenes. I can't lie. No Kloppy. Yeah, no Lighty. Don't worry, though. You've still got Endo running around in midfield. You've still got Endo running around, guys. Don't worry. It's fine. You've still got Endo. Endo can do a job, guys. He can do a job. Yeah, he can do a job. Don't worry about Zubimendi. You got McAllister. McAllister's a good player. I like McAllister. Decent top baller. But yeah, this is glorious scenes. This is glorious scenes. Grizz Khan, my friend. You're right, mate. Your ITK dates. See, I'm so gassed that they've got no signings, bruv. Yeah, doesn't matter. Arsenal ain't winning nothing. So don't worry. It's banter. It's banter. Don't cry, because I know you get a little bit emotional sometimes, you guys. Just chill. Calma. And keep calma. However, Grizz Khan's ITK, I've done it again. ITK days are in the mud. Where's Jude? Hey, Jude. Zubi Doo. Where are you? Bless up Craig from Anfield Agenda. Bless up Wissam. Yeah. Bless up to Grizz Khan as well. All 3 of them. I love all of them, man. They're real people, proper nice people, man. It's all banter, guys. However, this football club has a history of getting rejected. They're like the guy that's in the nightclub that's buying all the drinks for the girl. Yeah, that's GE tequila. Cheeky tequila. Yeah, smash the fucking grunt. You ain't smashing nothing, bruv. Caicedo. Nope. Lavia. Nope. Jude. Nope. Zubi-Doo. Nope. Your 4 best players are coming to the end of their careers. Alisson, nearly done. Brilliant goalkeeper, but he's on his last couple of seasons before he moves on to pastures new. Then you've got Verge, Van Disney, Mohamed Salah. Just saying, guys. Just saying. They're on the verge of Benito. Finished. Done. And then your 4th best player don't want to sign a new contract because he's flirting with Real Madrid. I beg Madrid sign Trent just for the banner. Yeah, he can't even defend properly. Yeah, but who cares? Real Madrid are a proper team. They'd find a way to get him in there somehow, and he can cross a ball. I beg Real Madrid buy Trent. I beg they do it. I don't think it happened this season. Don't sign if you're watching this, Trent, don't sign the contract. You'll get a big signing on fee in Madrid, bruv. And the weather out here is class, my friend. It's class. Imagine walking out of the Bernabeu to 80,000 proper football fans. I'm not saying Liverpool fans ain't, by the way, before you all cry. Yeah, however, imagine walking out the class and the tradition of Real Madrid, knowing that you're going to challenge for every trophy, knowing that you've got a great chance of winning them all, knowing that no matter what, the fans will be there and they will hold you accountable if you have shit shows. None of this gaslighting. Oh, but give him time. None of that. You don't get time in Madrid. Elite level standards, tactics, standards level 100. Now imagine Martin Zubimendi plays for Real Sociedad. Real Society, that translates to. The Real Society. He said, yo, forget Grizz being the community man. He's the society man, bruv. You know what I'm saying? He said, no. I can't let the people down, innit? Yeah, I'm an upstanding citizen of society. And this is my boyhood club. So do you know what? I'm staying here, guys. I'm going to stay here. And I'm going to renew my contract. And I'm going to play for Sociedad. And I'm going to kick on. Bosh. And then what happened is probably next summer, Real Madrid and Barca will sign him. And we can do this all over again. It is actually hilarious. I can't lie. That football club, I've seen Jurgen Klopp walk out of it saying, I'm tired. Too cansado. Cansado, man. Too cansado. I'm tired. I just want to go sleep. Yeah, just want to go sleep. Then they go and get Slotty. Hey, Slotty. They're doing it for Slotty, la. Yeah, good one, mate. Good one. What are they doing for Slotty? What's going on for Slotty? Because the ownership are giving him no money. Then when they actually go in for a player, yeah, don't worry, because you brought Edwards back, and he's the linchpin. He's the guy. He is the brains of the organization that can't get this guy from Real Society, Real Sociedad, to the mighty Liverpool. Wow. Man like Caicedo, you couldn't prize him away. I know Edwards weren't there, but the Liverpool giant institutional football club could not get Caicedo from Brighton, Lavia from Southampton. Well done, guys. Your golden generation resulted in 7 trophies. Well done to you. But it's going to be a long, long season for you lot. Trust me. I predict you finish 5th anyway, even without this signing. Yeah. 5th. Even with that signing, I'd say you'll struggle to get top 4, but you'd be better because he is a good player, Zubimendi. He is a very good player. And him and McAllister would have cooked in midfield. However, not looking good for you, Scouse lot. You got a brand new manager in there, and you can't get a deal over the line. And the one and only player you've gone in for has said, I'd rather stay at Real Sociedad. Just deep that, yeah. I would rather stay at Real Sociedad. How many trophies have they won? I think they've only ever won about 3 trophies. Smash these likes up, guys. This is hilarious. Real Sociedad honours. I think they've only ever won 3 or 4. Real Sociedad honours. Let's have a little look. Right, let's go, guys. Honours. There we go. Honours. La Liga, they've won twice. The year I was born and the year before. They won it back-to-back. Segunda, we're not counting. Second division, not counting. Copa del Rey, they won it 3 times. So, yeah, 1909, 1987, and 2020. Obviously, Martin Odegaard's only ever trophy. And they won the Supercopa de España in 82. That's it. They won the regional competition 6 times. And then the last time that was won was 33. So we ain't counting that either. The Gipuz Koa I don't even know what that is, bruv. I don't even know what that is. But anyway, so they have won 2 titles and 3 Copa del Reys and a Supercopa de España. They have won the same amount of trophies as Liverpool have won Champions Leagues, and you can't get this guy over the line. Yeah, they're doing it for Slotty, la. Yeah, let me tell you something right now, Liverpool fans. You were in for a tough season. Yeah, Arsenal were in for a tough season before you try bantering. But at the same time, you've had Jurgen. You had Jurgen. He got tired, mate. Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down, la. We got Slotty. They're going to do it for Slotty. What are you doing for Slotty? Yeah. You're not doing nothing for Slot. The one and only player you went in for said, nah. I'd rather stay here, bruv. I'd rather stay here. And I'd rather play for Sociedad than play for the mighty Liverpool, 6 times European Cup winners. You'd rather stay at Sociedad. Bless out to everyone locked in. I'll be back on here tomorrow. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Make sure you check out the podcast, me, Kenny, Jez, and Matty. We dissected Arsenal and the shambles of a football club they are. However, we're less shambolic than you lot right now. I know you won a trophy last season, all of that good stuff, and well done, but make the most of that because you ain't winning one anytime soon. It's not easy around here in these cold streets, guys. Well, it's not cold. I'm actually sweating. This T-shirt's stuck to me. It's about 40 degrees in here. But don't worry. Zubi is staying at Real Sociedad. But one more time for the cheap seats at the back. We're listening to the Hussam meltdown, and we're out. Love. Smash the likes up, people. Sub to the channel. I'll be back on Wednesday as well. Real Madrid, Atalanta. But tomorrow I'll be back with a video. But we're going to end on Hussam crying. Yeah, crying again.
And Zubimendi, you have earned an enemy forever. I will be watching Sociedad games preying on your downfall, you fucking emotional wreck, you fucking pussy. You're not even a man. You should give up your chromosomes. You're not even a man. You should go get a sex change because you're not a man. You're a pussy. Spent this whole time fucking gaslighting us all to thinking, oh, I'm going to miss the mountains of San Sebastian. Fuck Real Sociedad. I hope Real Sociedad lose every single game. I hope Real Sociedad get relegated. I hope Martin Zubimendi gets fucked in his career and they transfer him to Elche in the 3rd fucking division of Spain. I hope they never select him in the Spanish top team. I hope every single plate of food that he orders in his fucking city has a bug on it.
Man said emotional wreck while having a generational emotional meltdown. I love this game. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Yeah, this is funny. It's a bit of light-hearted banter, guys. But yeah, Liverpool are effed. Real talk. You man are finished out here. Yeah, no Jurgen, no Lighty. But don't worry, mates. Don't worry, mate. You still got Trent for about another year. In fact, by January, he can actually organise an overseas deal, can't he? If he doesn't sign a new contract. Good luck. Pray. We're out. Adios. Ciao. Bosh.